Alright, this is the Maine Trappers Association Museum. Whoa. Alright. Hello. You got a lot of things here. Yeah, some traps. Cool. And a beaver. Hey there, buddy. They dam out up the stream by my house all the time.
That's what he loves to do there.
Oh yeah. You can turn around and you go one time and you go and you go the next time and it's flooding all over the whole corner of the property and stuff, and then you turn around, you go, and whoops, there's no water there. They dammed up ahead.
You cannot discourage him. He'll build it up every time you turn it.
Oh no, you just let them be. They'll do their own thing. They'll move on when they're ready.
So they clean up everything they can eat. They'll find it.
Yeah. Oh look. Hey Jeff, just like the one that was in the garage.
Oh yeah, it's just the same color.
Yeah.
Except that was a little smaller.
Yeah, it is smaller. It is smaller. Yeah. Cool. Neat. Oh my goodness. Soft. I don't know. He moved on. It was just his winter home. Is this one a skunk?
It appears so.
I thought they were more ragged. Look at the softness. I thought they were
I'm
stiffer.
not touching it.
There's no smell? Huh?
It's the underfur that makes them so soft.
Ah.
The outer fur is guarded, and the inner one is the underfur, which really makes them soft. Some animals like beaver, they shear them just for the underfur. It's so pretty.
Wow.
Shear them and pluck them.
Yeah. And some of all the old traps. Wow, really old. We had some of these in the barn. Ha. Yeah. Wow. A lot of traps.